Good morning, students. Two videos are already sent to you on chapter Money and Credit. This is third video, and in this video we will discuss different modern forms of money. So whatever is paid for any good or service, that is money, and how we paid, these are different forms. So first form is card money, that is also called plastic money. Like if you pay through debit card, credit card, smart card or health card, etc., that is card money. And sometimes you pay through net banking, mobile banking, payphone, etc. These are different apps. If you are paying through that mode, that is digital cash. And third type is bank money. If you are paying through bank, you pay by check, by demand draft, banker's check, etc. That is bank money. Next type is credit. Sometimes you take credit or loan and pay through that medium. That is also form of money. So what is credit? Credit means loan, and it is an arrangement in which one's financial needs are satisfied. So if you have some financial need or need of money, you take credit from any source. Sources may be formal and informal. Formal means those who have some rules regulation, means they are under control of government or Reserve Bank of India, and fulfills all the conditions provided by government. Those are formal. And informal, those who do not follow any government rules, restrictions or rule which are specified by Reserve Bank of India, are not followed by informal sources of credit. When you take credit, you have to fulfill 4 conditions. First is rate of interest. Whether you take loan from bank or any cooperative or any informal sources, you have to pay some rate of interest that is fixed by that provider or lender. Next is mode of repayment. It means some conditions are specified by lender, that how many installments and how much in one installment will be paid by you. That is mode of repayment, how you repay the loan. Third term is collateral. Collateral means security. Whether you take loan from bank or from informal sources, you have to give them some security, like you give papers of your property or any good, like your car, your bike, whatever security, and sometimes you give gold as collateral. Next is documentation. Provider of credit tells you that you have to give documents before taking loan. So these 4 conditions are fulfilled by you if you want to take loan from any formal or informal source of credit. As I have told you earlier, sources of credit: banks, national bank or any cooperative, these are formal sources. Family members, friends, traders or money lenders, these are informal sources of credit. So what is difference between formal and informal sources? Formal sources are controlled by Reserve Bank of India and informal sources are not controlled by any authority. Formal sources are reasonable and their rate of interest is justified, and informal sources, they are high and unjust rate of interest is taken by them. Formal sources mostly grant loan for productive purposes like for agricultural investment or for starting industry or any business. These are productive sources, purposes, and informal sources provide loan for productive as well as non-productive purposes. And formal sources require more documents. Informal sources, they do not require or sometimes require less documents. Formal sources use legal proceedings if lender is failed to repay the loan, and informal sources may take legal or they may use power to get their loan repaid. So that is difference between formal and informal sources of credit.